Yeah.
What's good?
Huh?
What's happening? What's happening?
Class.
Yeah.
Y'all,
Sure, we
y'all
better
cool?
Huh?
What's y'all name?
I'm Sarah and this is Samantha.
Y'all sisters? Y'all kind of
Do
look
we look
alike.
like? Do we look related?
Yeah, y'all look alike.
Oh.
You're just a little bit more dark too.
Y'all just like best friends or
Are you
something?
from New? Are you?
Y'all
Huh?
like best friends or something?
Kinda.
Yeah.
Are you from New York?
Something like that. Something like that. Born.
So like
You know
New
what I'm saying?
Jersey?
New Jersey.
Oh.
Oh, sure, we better. We should go.
Okay, guys, we have to go to our next class. Bye.
Bye.
What's good?
Oh, nah.
How you doing, my boy?
Yeah, boy, I'm like, do you like be like breathing
Uh,
air and
I'm
shit?
just smoke air. Oh yeah, definitely. You gotta breathe air, bro. But smoke
Bad.
weed, why not? Dude, I have a friend that be like, "Yo, you gotta breathe air." Whenever I post my bong rips on Snapchat, it's funny as fuck that you said that. It's ironic.
I know, right? I know. But like, you got a bomb, but like, do you got the hookah though?
I do not have a hookah. No, I want to get one. I've only got bongs at the moment. I used to have a bong that was like this big. My girlfriend ended up breaking it, but that was like my prized possession.
Damn,
Yeah,
she crazy.
yeah, dude, I love that fucking thing. Hold up, I still have the bullhead that went with that bong, and the bullhead that went with that bong, it holds a whole 3.5. It
Nah,
does like
that shit look tough though.
yeah, it crazy. The first time I got that bong in that bullhead, I decided my dumbass was gonna try and take a full bowl out of that. Nah, I ain't that guy. I learned that real fucking quick.
Yeah,
And you say that
boy.
that was fire, so I got one other thing to show you, just because I think you'll kind of think it's cool. This is not one of my other pieces. I call it the musical reaper.
Oh, yo, y'all be having some tough ass times, yo.
That's
Yo,
my other
crazy.
one of my other pieces. I've also got a dab rig that's literally just a straight up skull.
That's
Yeah,
crazy. Yo, that's
yeah, I
that's
like my skull
tough.
shit. Do you smoke at all? Like, have you ever smoked?
Not back then, but like I'm like a whole athlete now, so like I need my lungs. You know what I'm saying? I need my
Yeah,
lungs
no, I
now.
get
You know what I'm
that.
saying?
So I've got schizophrenia, and that's my main reason why I smoke because I've taken a lot of different meds for it, and none of them really work. So I'd rather just smoke my weed, not have my issues, and go out throughout my day and not have to worry about it. You know what
I
I'm
get
saying?
that. I get that for real.
Yeah,
Like,
yeah. So
you know what I'm
that was
saying?
my big thing with it.
It's on some calm
But I'm
shit.
gonna, yo, but I'm gonna go find somebody to smoke with, man. You stay safe, and it was nice.
Bro, what is it with me and local crackheads, man? Like, bro, it's 9 a.m. in the morning. Is this nigga good? It's 9 a.m., bro.
Hey bro, what's up?
Hey, what's good, bro? You work in tech?
What?
You work in tech, like computers and shit?
Yeah, a little bit.
What you do?
I'll do programming and marketing, digital marketing.
You be coding?
Yeah, in Python. So what do you do?
Yeah, I just live life. I get paid to exist. Like, I just be living.
What do you do for a living?
Like, I just do this right here. I just come here. I just talk to people, and I get paid.
Oh, nice. I know. What do you do? You asking people, are you working tech? I know.
Yo, I'm showing up. There we
Where
go.
where from? Where from? So,
I'm from New York.
New York.
Yeah, New York.
So what about New York culture?
New York City.
Yeah, and its culture.
Yeah, I'm from New York. New York.
I'm asking you what about New York culture and party life
Oh, party,
and
yo, I be
nightlife?
getting lit. You know what I'm saying? I be oh yeah, I be with the I be with the Henny, the Oda. You know what I'm saying? We be on crack. You know what I'm saying?
Bro, what are you saying? I can't understand your accent.
We be outside with that Henny and the hookah. We be getting sturdy. We be going, like, we be on crack. We on crack.
Nice, bro. Bye.
But I'm
Yo,
telling y'all, yo,
what's under your cat, whatever the fuck that is on your head?
my hair, nigga. Fuck.
No, like what type like hairstyle you got?
What's this?
Well, I just took my braids out. That's why it's like this.
So what that shit look like?
An afro, nigga.
Show me.
Nah, you doing too much. You want to look know what other man's
No.
hair
Show
look
me.
like.
Show me right now, bro.
Nigga, you want to know what other man's
Bro,
hair
show
look
me
like.
right
Like
now, bro.
you doing too
Bro, show
much.
me.
You doing too
Bro,
much,
show me
buddy.
your fucking hair,
Buddy,
bro.
you're doing too much. You're doing
Bro,
too much.
show me your hair, bro. Why are
Calm
you making this
down, buddy.
difficult for yourself, bro? Bro,
Calm
show me
down,
your
buddy.
hair.
Calm
Bro,
down, buddy.
show. No,
Calm
I'm
down,
not calming
bro.
down, bro. Show
Calm
me your
down.
hair, bro.
Calm down,
Bro,
buddy.
show me
You
your
need to
hair,
calm down.
bro.
You need to calm down right now, bro.
Bro,
Chill out.
bro,
Chill
bro,
out. Chill
bro.
out,
It's
nigga.
10
Nigga,
o'clock,
chill out.
bro.
Nigga, chill out. Nigga,
Bro,
chill out.
it's
Chill out,
gang,
nigga. Chill out.
gang,
Calm down.
gang, gang. Show me your hair, bro.
Bro. Show me a
Bro,
band, nigga.
bro.
Show me a band, nigga.
A
Nigga.
band? A band? Or my manyan? This is 2 racks.
Nigga, that's not 2 racks. You lying this shit.
I swear to God. It's 2
Like,
racks. You
talking
want to
about
count it?
show me my hair, nigga. Show me a band. Stop playing. Nigga.
Give me a dog.
That's like,
What now? What?
nigga, that's like 600. Like, stop playing.
No, it's not.
Like,
Give me a dog burger than me.
niggas be doing too much.
I'm gonna go right here.
Like, niggas always trying to be so cool, bro. Like,
I ain't gonna lie, that shit $1,000. I ain't gonna lie. That shit $1,000. That shit not 2 bands though. That shit not 600. It's 1,000. That shit enough. All right, now show your hair, nigga.
I ain't showing no hair, nigga. Nigga, if I want to show my hair,
Oh
I
my.
would have this shit on, nigga.
Bro,
Stop playing.
I'm not gonna ask you again, bro.
And
I'm
I'm
not
not
gonna
gonna
ask you
tell
again,
you to
bro.
stop
If you
asking,
don't,
bro.
bro.
Stop asking.
If you don't show my, if you don't show, bro, if you don't show your hair, bro, you getting banned.
Get a little this guy. Like,
Get,
hold on, bro. Like, that was crazy. Is that Hitler? What the hell?
I'm Hitler.
Nah, but
Why
yo,
would you just say you're Hitler? My profile.
nah, we gotta
You
hold
wouldn't
on.
believe me if I told you this. The black guy's actually Hitler.
Hitler ain't have no dreads, bro. Why doesn't it? Man, like Hitler had dreads. Hitler ain't had no dreads, nigga.
Yes, he did, bro. Shut up, Pops. Hey, I'll show you a picture of Hitler with dreads right now.
Nigga finna Google Hitler with dreads.
No, I'm not, G. I'm telling you again. Bro,
Man,
my uncle was a Jew that survived him. And he sent me the picture of this nigga with dreads. You
yeah,
stream?
you capping. FB.
I'm telling you, bro.
Pull that shit up right now. Pull that shit up right now.
Alright, bro, cause this nigga think I'm cap. He think I'm cap, bro. You see the picture, right? Not you. I know you don't see it yet, but like you see the picture, right?
Like, he asking you to lie.
No, I'm not, gang. I'm not, like.
Like, you see me sitting there. Whole time nigga showing a blank screen.
Gang. This nigga really think I'm cap, bro. Alright, I'm finna show his ass. Bro. I wanna play.
Show that shit.
Why would I cap about? Why would I cap about my boy Hiller having dreads? He was a dread head before he was shaking his dreads and shit.
Man, show that shit. Show that
Look
shit.
at bro.
Yo, this nigga went on ChatGPT and said,
No.
yo,
Hell no. That's really him, bro.
Nah. That nigga on ChatGPT and said, Lil Dre.
Hell no, that's not even ChatGPT.
Ain't even ChatGPT for that. That's Chrome.
Hell nah. Man, get your ass out of here. Boy, pack that up. Hell nah.
God, sipping quickly, forgot it was mud. I don't cross, so I cope it with drugs. Like I don't know when my time gonna come.
Yo, what's good, stream? It's good.
That'd be true.
Yo, can I get W's on the chat? W stream. W 10 hours chat. Really going crazy. I'm saying.
What the
Damn,
fuck is
nah.
it?
Come on, focus, nigga. Let's go. You know what I'm saying? Anyways, stream. We about to hop off. Appreciate y'all boys.